India Today TV, along with 70 other news channels, is a proud member of the News Broadcasters Association since 2007. We strictly follow the code of ethics and guidelines issued by NBSA. Beware of unregulated channels.
We're getting you the latest updates from the NCB investigation. Now, Karan Johar's employee Kshitij Prasad is at the NCB office. We understand a small quantity of marijuana has been seized from Kshitij's house during searches. He's been taken to the NCB office. Now, remember, his house was raided yesterday as well as today. And we understand that there was a certain amount of marijuana that was also found at his residence. Munish Pandey is joining us from the NCB office in Mumbai. Munish, this could prove to be trouble for Kshitij Prasad. His name came up after some statements from peddlers in which they said that they gave drugs to Kshitij. The focus of his interrogation will be on who he was getting these drugs for.
Yeah, of course, Akshita, and that is why this search operation was conducted by the Narcotics Control Bureau at the Warsaw residence of, Kshitij Prasad, who works for Dharma Production. Now, what we have been given to understand is that yesterday he was in Delhi, but the moment he landed this morning in Mumbai, a team accompanied to him at his residence, and then searches were conducted. Small quantity of marijuana, according to NCB sources, has been recovered by them during the searches, and he is expected to join the investigation in this very same building, which my camera person Prakash Mordara will show you. In this very same building, he is expected to join the investigation very soon. Now, because this small quantity of marijuana has been recovered from his residence, so there might be a charge of at least consumption of drugs by Kshitij Prasad, who is working for Dharma Production and Karan Johar. So this is going to be certainly very crucial, because NCB has been maintaining that they want to expand their probe in the Bollywood drug cartel nexus. But NCB also claims that they have to corroborate Kshitij Prasad's claim with other evidence, and the statement by Anuj Keswani, in which he took name of Kshitij Prasad, that he had indeed supplied drugs to him. So this is going to be certainly very crucial as far as the entire Bollywood and drug cartel nexus is concerned.
Considering they found a small amount of marijuana in his house, Munish, does it seem, natural that he'll now be arrested as well?
No, it is not very necessary, because there are two types of NDPS cases. One is only for consumption, one is for facilitation and harboring. If the person has consumed drugs, so a case can be registered against him, but then he can be produced before the magistrate. Magistrate has an option of forgiving that person on condition that he will not consume drugs in future. Also, if the person is habitual of drugs, then the person can be sent into rehabilitation. So marijuana is something in which most of the cases, if the person has consumed, then they only send that person to rehabilitation. There is no need of arrest or judicial custody. But in end of the day, we have to wait and watch that once he is questioned by the NCB, what actually transpired during the questioning.
All right, Munish, thank you for those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.